Well, today I'm going to fix something nice and easy when you get home that you can just put in the oven and leave alone and cook for a while, and then time you get undressed and get everything, your ducks in a row, your dinner will be ready. Okay, this is frozen chicken wings. I got a real big bag, at least Tom got the real big bag. First off, this is Kay and Tom. Welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And this is Kay, of course. I am going to today just make me some chicken wings for dinner tonight. This is something other you can just do when you get home and put it in the oven, and then by the time you get undressed and get yourself together a little bit from a day of work, you'll have your chicken wings ready. What I'm using just the chicken wings first and second sections, frozen ones. We're going to use chicken poultry rub, which was Tom's favorite. He thinks you had to put that on just about everything, especially anything that had chicken on it. And the other thing I'm going to use is just some butter. So first thing you do is you line your pan with aluminum foil and make sure you get a pan that's got a lip on it, because as they thaw up and start to cook, they will have a little juice in them, and you don't want this running all over your oven. Turn your oven on 375 and let it be warming up as we do this. There we go. And what you do next is you just take the butter. Some people use Pound, but my sister said butter is the way to go, so we will go with butter today. And you just rub it all over the pan. Get a good coating on the pan. What this does, it keeps your chicken from sticking, and you will be turning over your chicken halfway done, or whenever you feel like you want to turn it over so it'll get brown on the other side too. And you can actually see, you may not can with the camera, but when you're doing this, you can see where you have put butter and where you haven't. So now all I need to do is I'm going to coat my chicken and lay it up here on this pan. What I did is I put the chicken in a bowl, and I ran some water over it. I didn't thaw them up, I wanted them a little wet, so that my seasoning would stick to it. So you just sprinkle your season all around, whatever how much you think you like. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching. And if you've ever seen any of Tom's videos, you know he liked his spices. He really did. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place them on this aluminum foil that I have got butter on it. I really didn't know how many I took out. I don't think I can eat this many at one time, but that's okay. What I don't eat tonight, you know, tomorrow is coming. We hope and pray it does. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Now what you have to do now is just put it in the oven, and about 15 minutes, turn it over. In another 15 minutes, look at it, and it should be ready to eat. And since I haven't had any lunch, and it is now almost 3 o'clock, I will be glad to eat a little bit. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit more right here on this one, because it doesn't look like it stuck anything on it. Okay, we will put it in the oven, and we will check with it in a minute. Well, it sure is smelling good and looking good. So I took them up, and I'm just going to turn them over. And you know what? I haven't got one of them that stuck anywhere. not anywhere. I'll just flip them right over. Boy, they smell good. Whoops. I'm trying to turn that one twice. And let's get this one. Okay, now we're going to put them back in the oven again. I think once I cook them about 10 or 15 minutes, they'll be ready. So I'll let you see when we get through. I really appreciate you joining my channel and subscribing to it and looking at them. And so I'll be right back. Well, they really turned out real well. I love barbecue sauce. And so I'm going to take some of this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to put just a little bit on some of these. And then I'm going to stick them back in the oven right quick and just let the sauce get get warm. Sometimes if I think about it, I make my own sauce. But since I didn't think about it today, we're just going to use this. And like I say, I'm going to put it back in the stove just so the sauce will be warm. And then I think I'm going to eat. You can call it my lunch, you can call it dinner, whatever meal you want, or you can just call it because I think I'm going to eat them. So as I've said before, really appreciate you watching my channel. Hope you subscribe to it. And I do believe that's what they're going to look like. How does that look? Okay, I'm going to put them in there and just let the barbecue sauce get warm. Now, isn't that a nice looking plate? I got chicken wings, celery, and a little ranch dressing on here. And you know the other best thing about this is that all I have to do to clean up is take this aluminum foil, throw it in the trash, and wipe out the pan, because all the stuff is done. And again, I hope you enjoyed my little video of chicken wings. There were no trouble whatsoever. While they were cooking, I got some other stuff done. And really appreciate you watching my channel. Come back again. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am going to eat, so I will talk with you later. Have a good day. I really could not believe how easy this was to fix. From frozen right out of the freezer into the oven and on my plate. So really looks good, and the one I've just ate was really good. So try it sometime. I do believe you'll like it. And like I say, no mess, no cleanup, no washing up anything except that one pan. Okay, I will see you later. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Bye.